Hey, what's up guys? It's Chris from D-Styles Auto Sounds. Today we're working on this 2009 Monterey 214 FX. We're going to be doing a full DS18 system in here. We're going with 6.5s and 8s in the front, 2 10s in the back here, 2 amplifiers, upgrading his radio, so with Apple CarPlay. Interesting day guys, keep you guys updated.
Yeah, just like that. The way you looking at it, I can tell you like that.
Hey, what's up guys? The boat's completed. We're done with the boat. Let's check it out. So on this boat, we ended up doing 4 DS18 Marine Grade 6.5s. Also on this boat, we ended up installing 2 10-inch subwoofers, Marine Grade, for the boat to give it that low end bass. We also installed the Marine Grade Apple CarPlay unit. It's a double DIN with a 7-inch screen. Let's check it out. With Apple CarPlay, you'll get your phone calls, you're gonna get music, maps, messages. Say you wanna, deliver a pizza to your kids at home while you're on the boat fishing, you wanna get away from the family. You can do it from here. Domino's has an app. Tap to order pizza. Loading order, bam, my Domino's fit. Need to make a text message, it's there. GPS, there. There's a lot of different things with Apple CarPlay. Any questions, please feel free to ask.